guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss meaning and significance of infrastructure and characteristics of infrastructure, a topic of Unit 5 of Check Your Progress question 1 ka question 1. So what is infrastructure? Infrastructure means those basic services and support system that facilitate different economic activities, thereby helping in development of a country. तो वो सारी सर्विसेज और सपोर्ट सिस्टम जो कि हमारी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ को हेल्प करती हैं, जो कि हेल्प करते हैं डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ कंट्री को. Infrastructure comprises of activities such as transport, communication, energy. Aspects related to economic activity contribute to increase in productivity. Productivity बढ़ती है of natural resources such as irrigation, drainage, science and technology, information system, finance and banking, civic amenities, human resource. Services like education and health. Core infrastructure incorporates all main things of infrastructure, example road, highways, railways, water, gas supply, etc. Core assets provide essential services and have monopolistic characteristics. Most infrastructure services are part of physical infrastructure and are non-tradable. Thereby availability cannot be readily augmented through imports, because obviously ये tradable नहीं है, तो import करके हम इसको easily नहीं कर सकते. Thus needs to be domestically produced. Since ये लोग trade नहीं कर सकते, physical infrastructure को हम लोग trade नहीं कर सकते हैं, trade possible नहीं होता उसका, तो हम लोग उसका import नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए domestically produce करना पड़ता है. Investors seeking to invest in core infrastructure look at 5 different characteristics. कौन से characteristics? पहले income, दूसरी low volatility of returns, third diversification, fourth inflation protection, fifth long-term liability matching. Now the more distinguishing your important features of infrastructure are as follows, which are: first is public goods. Most physical infrastructure have some common element of public good. Public good कौन से goods होते हैं? जो कि नॉन राइवल होते हैं, ठीक है, और नॉन एक्सक्लूडेबल होते हैं. नॉन राइवल मतलब एक के यूज करने से दूसरे के लिए कम नहीं हो जाएगा, और एक्सक्लूडेबल हम किसी को रोक नहीं सकते उसे इस्तेमाल करने से. These services are available to public. The consumer may be charged for the services or may be supplied free. But even when supplied for a price, it is not always possible to exclude those consumers who choose not to pay them. That is the non-excludable part. The externalities. Externalities refers to anything that incurs cost or benefit to a third party that is not involved in that transaction. So the social benefit of infrastructure services is greater or exceeds the cost involved in its generation. This in turn creates problem in pricing of these services. It makes it difficult to price them in order to recover cost fully. So in this case, social benefit is greater than marginal social benefit is greater than marginal private cost. Next is the monopolies. Due to inherent nature of infrastructure facilities, it is difficult for more than one supplier to exist in one location. It thus creates a possibility of monopolies and their regulation. क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा डबलिंग हो जाती है, तो ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े टास्क में एक या दो ही सेक्टर्स होते हैं. Public sector domination. The existence of externalities, particularly in the field of social welfare, has resulted in dominant position by public sector in production and supply of infrastructure services. Lumpy investment. Infrastructure prospects generally require lump sum investment. That is, any expenditure on a part of project is not useful until a whole project is ready for operation. Example, a halfway road or a rail line is of no use. Indivisibility. Lump sum investment in turn is a result of indivisibility, a characteristic feature of most infrastructure projects. One cannot divide and subdivide such projects into small parts and activate them. These are indivisible. हम छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में नहीं कर सकते, लाइक कि एक ही बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हम इसको पार्ट्स में नहीं कर सकते, हमें इसे पूरा ही करना पड़ेगा तभी यूज होगा. अगर एक रेलवे लाइन है पूरी कंस्ट्रक्ट होगी तभी फायदा, आधा कंस्ट्रक्ट करके भी वो किसी काम की नहीं होगी. Thank you guys. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And please comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys. Thank you.